Carlin, Matthew, can you give me the names of the contact forces?
Muscular force and frictional force.
Okay, very good. Johan, what do you mean by the muscular force, dear? Johan, muscular force means what? Very simple. From that word itself, you will get it. Try to say in your own words, which you understand by that. Johan, whenever I ask question, your video will stuck or what? So far, you are okay here.
Hello,
Suddenly I ask, who is speaking? Is it Johan?
ma'am,
Yes.
whom is the question?
Hello.
Ma'am, whom are you asking?
Who is Johan? Johan Jeevan. Video is stuck over there. Okay, Aditya, you tell me, what do you mean by muscular force?
The force which applied by the muscles.
Okay. Amal, switch on your video, Amal. Amal, Milan, all of you. Abhinav, PA. Abhinand Krishna, Vaishnav, Anthony Babu, Shreya. Those are switching on. I won't switching off. I won't give you attendance. I tell you, frank enough. Okay. Okay, fine, children. So now, what do you mean by frictional force, Angelia Biju? What do you mean by the word frictional force? Angelia, you are not listening to me.
Ma'am, can I?
Unmute, Angelia. You are saying something, but you are muted.
Ma'am, I think she can't hear you.
Okay. Others,
Ma'am, can I?
am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, then what's happened? Okay, Shane, you tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
What do you mean by
Frictional force is a force due. It occurs when two surfaces are in contact.
Okay, two surfaces in contact. Okay. Gauri Parvati, give an example for frictional force. Gauri. Example for a frictional force. So many things we have studied.
Yes.
I think her.
When we erase.
Okay, we are erasing.
Hello, ma'am?
Erasing. Yeah, correct. Correct, Gauri. Uma, another example for frictional force. Another example. So many examples in our daily life, correct? You are not unmuted. You are not unmuted. Unmute your audio, Uma. I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm erasing.
Erasing already she said. Can you say something like other example? Two surfaces in contact. So any action which takes place between two surfaces is an example for frictional force. Uma.
I'm rubbing our hands.
Yeah, rubbing our hands. Okay, very good. Ayan, can you give me another example, dear? Any two surfaces in contact. You
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now, Angelia. Can you give me example, Angelia, since you are back? Example.
Writing a note.
Writing a notes. Ayan, like that. Tell me, Ayan, very simple.
Switching on fan.
Switching on fans. Okay. Ayan, you are sitting on your chair. Do you experience frictional force now? Huh?
No.
No? Which are the two surfaces in contact now?
Yes. Ma'am, his body. And
Your body and your chair is in surfaces. Now you are sitting there without falling. Without falling, it is because of you are experiencing frictional force. Okay. Earth may be pulling you down. Earth may be trying to pull you down, but the frictional force acts against you. So that's why you are firm. You are firm in your chair. So this way you are experiencing contact forces. Okay, children. So shall we now start with other type of forces, non-contact force? Already we have already learned. Prachita, what do you mean by non-contact force, dear? Non-contact force means what?
Ma'am, the forces which do not.
Yeah, do not have contact.
Contact.
Yeah, So the force which is experienced without any physical contact is known as, yes, is known as non-contact force. Now we are coming to non-contact force mainly three ways. Non-contact force mainly three. So I am going to give you the first type of force. We have magnetic force. These are the non-contact force. Magnetic force. You can write the three important non-contact forces. Magnetic force. Second one is known as electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. And third one, we are
Gravitational.
gravitational force.
Ma'am, 3 important.
Yeah, these are the three non-contact forces. And rest of other forces are contact. Magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational force. We have only three non-contact forces. Magnetic force, non-contact, magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force. All rest is contact force. Even frictional, you know, without contact, we cannot have that. So already we have explained force exerted on object without physical contact. That is non-contact force already we discovered. So now you can say the, what do you mean by magnetic force? As is, yes.
Executes a non-contact
Exerted
force.
by magnet.
Yes, yes, yeah. See, even it's not necessary. It's not necessary that you should touch the magnets. You just bring the magnet closer. So what is the peculiar feature of a magnet? Can you, anyone can tell me?
Attract each
Ma'am,
other.
attract.
Attract
all
each
ions.
other. Yes.
North Pole and South Pole.
Yes, the important picture is that magnet has two poles. That is important feature. That is North Pole and
South pole.
South Pole. So, when does the magnet attract each other?
South and north and south.
Yes.
Something
So
that made
yes, that means unlike poles attract each other, and when it started repelling or it's moving away one
North
another,
and North or South.
north and north or south. So as you see me here, the first picture, it is a U-shaped magnet, which is in the shape of a U. We also call it as horseshoe. This is also known as horseshoe magnet. Other common is bar magnet, which is look like a rectangle piece. That is a bar magnet. So all ionic substances are magnetic substances. All ionic substance. Ionic substance means made up of iron. Okay, iron vessels, iron handle, iron nails. Okay, iron pieces, iron sheets. All this made up of iron are magnetic substances. If you bring a magnet close to this, either horseshoe or bar magnet, what will happen? Even you don't have to touch it, just to bring it close to the nail. The nail will be jump and stick to the, yes. So this is, do we have no contact over there? When we apply, no. After applying, there is a contact. Before applying, there is no contact. Clear? Yes. So similarly, bar magnet. This is an activity which is shown in your book. That is, there is a magnet placed on a three pencil. Yeah, three pencils. You know the pencil can roll, correct? And we are bringing another magnet close to it. First picture we can show, both are in same color. Either maybe it may be North Pole or South Pole. So both are in like poles. When this both are bringing together, what do you
They repel.
observe? Yes. What will happen?
They push each other.
Yeah,
They
push
repel
each
each
other.
other.
What happened to the pencil? Is it will
Pencil
roll
will roll.
away?
They will move back.
They will move back because it will roll back, correct? Because it has got a cylindrical surface.
Yes.
So pencil will roll back. Naturally, the magnet also move back. This is because there is a repulsion between these two. Now you can
Can
see
you
the
explain one more time how North Pole and South Pole in magnetic force?
in North Pole, usually when you buy a magnet, you will get usually there will be marked North and South Pole. It may not be marked. Instead of that, if it is North Pole, there will be white dot on bar magnet. Okay. So if it is white dot on bar magnet, you can you can assume that that is North Pole. Other end of the magnet, it will not be white dot. It is plain. Another thing, if there is white dot, how do you know whether it's a North Pole and South Pole? That's a simple example. I think you must have learned. When you take a thread, take a bar magnet, and you suspend it in the air, you just hold it. Okay. If you just hold it, this bar magnet always point the north direction of the earth. Suppose in front of the direction, in front of my face, it may be north, and back front it will be south. Suppose I suspend, suppose this is a magnet, I suspend this in air with the help of a stand, and you just release it and just wait till it is started. Once you release, it will move a little bit, correct? Slowly, it will stop because of frictional force. It will stop, and you will see that there will be one side pointing north. That means this will be the North Pole, and one end is pointing this way. That will be the South Pole. So this is how a simple experiment we can identify North Pole and South Pole. Otherwise, if you buy a bar magnet, there will be a white dot in one end. So that indicates it is North Pole. Otherwise, it is South Pole. Okay, children? Clear?
Ma'am, compass works like this, right?
Yes, magnetic compass. The invention of discovery of magnet is lead us to discovery of magnetic compass. So magnetic compass also have a magnetic needle inside. One is marked as north, another one is marked as south. So
Ma'am.
especially
Ma'am, when friction is not there, the magnet will stop working, right?
stop, because while it is moving, who is in the around that magnet? Which
Friction.
medium? Solid, liquid, or air?
Air.
Air. Yeah. So air apply the frictional force. Air is a medium, and you
Okay,
know air is not visible to us. Air consists of all type of gas molecules: oxygen,
Ma'am.
hydrogen, and all. Yes.
Ma'am, if we place the magnetic compass in a vacuum, what will happen?
In
Vacuum.
magnetic compass, if in vacuum, there is no particles around to experience the magnet, it will not show any direction. No friction, no
Okay.
air, nothing is there. Okay.
And so
Okay,
it
ma'am.
will be spinning.
Why?
No,
Because
it will
there
be
is no
Spinning,
friction.
vacuum means, you understand, vacuum means empty space. There is nothing to experience a force on it, or nothing to exert a force on it. So that is about your
It will be at
imaginary,
rest.
no? Yeah, vacuum means empty space, no air, no particles, nothing. And in vacuum, whether life is we can't say. Even we cannot live there. Okay, so that's it. So vacuum is empty space, and nothing will exist in the empty space. Okay, and you know the planets apart from Earth, all other planets, stars, especially stars. Stars are actually, it is a circle or a sphere made up of dust and ice and air molecules.
Nitrogen.
Yeah, not only nitrogen, some may have neon more, some may have hydrogen, some will have that. So star actually is a sphere made up of gases actually. Okay. And Earth has a peculiar feature. Among all the planets, Earth has a peculiar feature. It has got a lot of green plants or forest. That is the reason our life is existing. but we have undergoing inventions or discoveries on Mars and as well as the moon. You know it, everything
Venus.
is going on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in another galaxy, sometimes there may be another.
Yes, of course. We cannot deny the fact. We all are microorganisms actually. We come to the
When
biology.
compared to
Ah,
the universe.
Combined. We are particle, we are microorganism, like just like a bacteria and fungus actually. So suppose just imagine someone is there in the Mars, and that person, that people, the people on Mars, if they are looking at us, for them we will be the microorganisms, and they will call us aliens. Correct? The English word is given
Yes,
aliens.
ma'am.
But for us, those people on the Mars, they will be
They are
aliens or they
aliens.
are microorganisms. Clear? That's
Yes, ma'am.
why in
cannot see them,
biology,
right?
yes, in biology, you are learning about living organism and non-living organism.
Biotic and abiotic.
Ah, that's it, non-biotic. We all are biotic. We are living organism. But there are some stones, rocks like that. They are non-living organism.
Ma'am, when we reach higher classes, we will study about
If you happen higher classes, from this magnetism, you go to electromagnetism. Okay. There's a lot to study. You will be studying. I think this year you are not dealing with that much higher classes, but you are dealing with electrostatic force now. That's a part of your +2 basic. Okay.
I'm
Plus
Newton's log and all in this 8th.
That will be going to 9th standard, my dear. You have learned balanced and unbalanced force now? Yes. Your standard 9 physics start from balanced and unbalanced force. What you study from here. Okay. And then you go to motion, graph, mathematical problems, all that. Okay. So from 8th onwards, my dear children, if you intend to take a science stream in your +1, +2, from 8 onwards, make sure that you are thorough with the topics what you learn. Chemistry, bio, and physics, especially physics. Yeah. So physics basic is here. So, okay, children, shall we go back to our class? I don't know whether, yeah, still 5 more minutes are there. So you got it? What do you mean by magnetic force?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
second activity, it's very clear since both are, one is in blue color. For us to see, it is given blue and red color. We don't know whether it's a north or south. Let us think this is north or this is south. Just imagine. So once the ruler with the south pole come closer here, what will happen to this magnet on the pencils?
It comes to
Yes, it will move towards and it will attract to the magnet because there is an attraction between both of them. So
Yeah, I know.
naturally, the pencil rolls forward. Therefore, they will attract. Okay. So this attraction and repulsion, we call it as laws of magnetism. Laws of magnetism. So don't forget that you have to remember when you go to +1 and as +2 also. What do you mean by laws of magnetism? What is the basic? This is the basic of magnetic force and magnetism in our higher classes also. Very simple, what you learned only. Unlike poles attract each other,
like poles,
repel each other. Attract each other,
poles
attract each other. And second one, like poles, repel each other. So don't forget these points, okay? And don't get confused with electrostatic force and magnetic force because there are some similarities between both of them. But only thing here, it is the poles. In electrostatic force, it is the charges. So that is an important part of it. So this is and all not given in your textbook as such as from this chapter when you learn, there is some activity-based questions. So in that, you have to know unlike poles or like poles. So for a periodic test, I am not given much activity questions because you are the first beginners of this 8th standard, no? So very simple question paper I have prepared for you. But only thing, you have to make sure for contact forces, non-contact forces, difference, examples, and effects of force. These are the major portions you need to cover. And interaction, balanced force and unbalanced force.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So this is what is the main thing. I'm some picture, magnetic force. Let me go to next one. Electrostatic force. Okay, here also the word attraction and repulsion is coming up. That's why I told you, don't get confused with magnetic force. So what is electrostatic force? Force of attraction or repulsion between any two charged objects or a charged and uncharged object. I will explain to you what do you mean by charge, what do you mean by uncharged. Okay, first you just copy down this sentence. We need to study little more. The application of this we are studying in natural phenomenon. Okay, there's a one chapter for you, some natural phenomenon. There you will be studying about it. Force of attraction or repulsion between any two charged objects or a charged and uncharged. Not only between charged objects, charged and uncharged. That's very important point.
Can you show the slide once
Yes,
again?
yes, I'll show you. I just want to check what I have put for you. Some examples, you can write it. I will explain to you. This is in the next class because we don't have much time. You can take the screenshot also. Only write this main point. This
Ma'am,
you
to-
take. Because this is not in your textbook. I'm just summarize what is in the textbook.
Ma'am, I took every slide.
Yes. Okay. Okay. That's good. For physics, this is very important for us. Textbook means.
Yes, ma'am. So
it
we
is-
can revise before exam.
Yes, it's very easy, but you should revise it. Don't clicking photos and making your mobile storage full. Okay. It is better after clicking photo, you write it down in your rough notebook. It will be more easy to retain the memory. Okay. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
I think I can wind up the session of today because we won't be able to complete this topic. It requires some basic structure of chemistry. You should know some of the basics of chemistry to understand this. Okay, so that we may not able to complete. So I will take the attendance now. Have you all completed those or others?
Ma'am,
You
3
just
year.
click.
Ma'am, only 3 year absent. Only 3 year
Ah.
absent.
Who are those three? Just tell me. It is easy for me to mark.
Albert.
Albert, Jojo. Okay, fine. Next person.
Nelvin.
Melvin. Okay. Next person.
No, Nelvin is there. Nelvin is there. Nelvin
Ah.
is there.
Girls, anyone? Girls.
Sriram.
Sriram is absent today.
Sriram is present.
Okay. Can I
I'm
stop?
Krishna
No,
Kripa.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Milan. That exam.
Milan, I saw him in the beginning of the class.
Vinod BA.
I have Pranavatmak is come because some of the students I did not see. I just
Krishna
called them.
Kripa. Krishna Kripa.
Krishna Kripa. Okay.
Milan.
Pranavatmak is present. Okay.
Milan.
Nelvin present. Milan is present.
Who is present?
Milan is absent. Milan is absent.
Milan. No.
Milan
Milan.
Milan Albert Krishna Kripa.
Okay.
Milan Albert.
Kripa.
Okay. Thank you, students. All others are present,
Okay, ma'am.
no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Thank you, children.
ma'am.
So we will
Thank
see
you.
in the
Thank you,
next
ma'am.
week. By
Thank
next
you,
week, we
ma'am.
can
you, ma'am.
complete
Bye.
the portions for periodic test 1. Okay, children? So from the printed note, the question answers which is related to this, you study. Okay.
Ma'am, till
Pressure and all, you can leave it for this periodic test. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.